We have a pencil skeleton that it's basically the scaffolding of creating our scene. If this was like a cardboard cutout scene, we've got these like scaffolding that we're going to hang everything on. That's our pencil line. But I have zero interest in staying within the line. Everything you're not painting, then you're coloring.
Right.
And this is really it's more about creating shapes. The more you sort of do in your sketchbook, and the more you capture little things, like you're at Starbucks waiting for your coffee and you draw the person in line coming up to order, but you're drawing gesturally, and that's where sketching becomes different than drawing. You're gesture sketching, and that's same thing with cars. Basically, a car's a square initially, so you can just draw squares where you want your cars to be. Same thing with cows. They're basically based on a square shape. So when you're composing a scene with a field and some cows, you can just put squares and tweak, worry about them later. I mean, it all relates to tattooing to me because I'm the tattooer first, but you are drawing what you feel you should do. You're controlling each stroke, you're controlling everything. And this is giving yourself up to some other control, like, I don't know, like your higher watercolor power. And it feels good to let that go, and you've created it, but there's also some things that are happening that are way beyond you.